This is the chapter of the SST Social Studies of class 5. Maybe some book given in the chapter number 5, in some book given in the chapter number 7, and other it is depend upon the publishers, but topic will be same. Maybe the Saudi Arabia, maybe a country in the hot desert region, or maybe the land of the hot sands. So before starting the here chapters, I want to tell to you all what are deserts. Generally the sandy area, hot or sandy area are called the desert. Means most of the hot deserts are found on the western side of the continent. Generally all desert, if you observe clearly, the western side of the continent, each continent, suppose African continent, the western side, Asia continent, means you will find any type of desert, you will the western side of the continent. Now here is question, what are deserts? So the area where the annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeter, means the area which has the less than the 25 centimeter rainfall, means centimeter rainfall, called the desert. This is the main definitions. And which is the largest desert in the world? So the Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest desert in the world. And where is this? We are going to see the Saudi Arabia, means Arabian Peninsula on the western side of the Asia. I already taught you the each desert you will find in the western side. So this means Arabian Peninsula on the western side of the Asia, and it is also called the hot desert. Now look at the location and the extent of the Saudi Arabia. So first you observe that this is the area of the Saudi Arabia, and here you will find, you have seen Iraq, Iran. Here is what is it? It is northern eastern side. If you file here is the eastern side, Oman. If you file here is the Jordan and Egypt and Sudan in the western side. So if you observe, means here it is the Asia, Iran. Here you will find the Pakistan, this area. So if you generally ask the what is means, so Arabian Peninsula is surrounded by the Red Sea of the coast, and listen on the Arabian Sea on the to the south. Look at the, here is the question, which country is known as the Middle East? किस country को Middle East कहा जाता है? तो all the countries, which country? All the countries of the Western Asia which are located close to the Europe. First try to understand, all the countries of the Western Asia continent, means suppose it is Asia continent is here, and the western side, it is western side, means all the countries of the Western Asia which are located close to the Europe. What is close to the Europe? That is known as the Middle East. So which country is known as the Middle East? Means all the countries of the western sides of the Asia, and which are located the close to the Europe. So Saudi Arabia is also the Middle East country. Saudi Arabia is also known as the Middle East country. Now look at the, here is the point. This is the Riyal. It is the currency of the Saudi Arabia. If you observe clearly, it is the currency of the Saudi Arabia, and given the amount is here in the, it is a rupees 5 in India, like the Indian country. Here is the 5 Riyal. I have now come to the here. What is if you see the note, Saudi Arabia is a large country that is situated in the Arabian Peninsula. I already taught what is Arabian Peninsula. So Arabian, where is the Arabian Peninsula? Arabian Peninsula on the western side of the Asia is called the hot desert. Peninsula, what is peninsula? Means it is a piece of land that cuts into the sea, means the area which is cut from the sea and is covered by water on three sides. So it is means the area which is covered by the three sides is known as the peninsula. Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world, and capital city of the Saudi Arabia is the Riyadh. Means what is Riyadh is the capital of the Saudi Arabia, and it is situated in the Tropic of Cancer, passes through the middle part of the Saudi Arabia, and it is, where is the surrounded by it? I already shown you here, Kuwait, Iraq and Jordan in the north. If you correctly observe there, Qatar, Bahrain, UAE and Persian Gulf in the east, and Red Sea in the west, and Arabian Sea, Oman or Yemen in the south. Land, if you observe, which type of land of you will find, means physical features of the Saudi Arabia, means you will find the sand dunes. Sand dune means what? A small hill of sand in the desert is known as the sand hill. In May, you are in other word you will explain that, or you will see that there are many hills of the loose sand. Means there are many hills of the loose sand. You will see, observe there that. So which are called the sand dunes. Mean small hill of sand is also known as the sand dunes, or there are many hill of the loose sand which are called the sand dunes. And what is the dry sandy desert here is the, it is called known as the, in the Saudi Arabia, it is known as the Rub of Khalali. What is Rub of Khalali? It is known as, here is the Rub of Khalali. Now what is, here is the oasis, you will also find in the oasis there, means at some places of the desert groundwater comes up to the surface, forming the fertile area called the oasis. And which type of climate is here? So here you will see, I already discussed here, Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the south and Arabia, making the climate hot and dry. This means here is the very less rainfall, humidity is there, bright sun is there. Means you will, if you wish to explain that word clearly, it means the climate of the Saudi Arabia is hot and dry almost throughout the year. Means throughout the year, the here is the climate, means you will say the weather is hot and dry. During the daytime, if you observe the clear, during the daytime the sun shines very brightly, and during the summer season from May to the September, the days are very hot and the nights are very cool. The temperature during the daytime, it goes up to the 50 degrees Celsius. Now to here is the vegetation and the agriculture. Which type of vegetation you will find here? Here which type of vegetation you will find? The agriculture here is there. Because Saudi Arabia is a desert, very few plants can grow. Here you will see the very less plant, but plants that grow near oases, date palms, wheat and barley. Means what you have said means, you, if you want to be explained here, means about the natural vegetation and the wildlife, means major part of the Saudi Arabia has no plants. Means you will go everywhere in the Saudi Arabia, you will find no plants. Special plants which can survive in hot or dry weather are found in the some area, and that area known as the oasis. Cacti are the common plant. Which are cactus means number of plants of the cactus is known as the cacti are the common plants, and whose leaves are reduced to thorn. And Saudi Arabia is not rich in wildlife because their plant is less, means wildlife is also less, it is not rich. Those who can live with the shortage of water and food can survive, means camel like this one. And which type of people you will find here? So Saudi Arabia is very rich due to vast deposit of petroleum. Whenever, means when the importance of economic activity, you may say this, when the life of the people of the Saudi Arabia change, when money earned from the export of the petroleum has been properly used in the development of the Saudi Arabia. Means Saudi Arabia is very rich due to vast area of the this one petroleum, and selling these sell in the building cities like the Riyadh and Jeddah. Saudi Arabia has a traditional society where women wear abaya and men wear thope. Abaya, what is abaya? Traditional black dress, it is black dress, and that only leaves the eye opens. Means if you so many women, Muslim women, you also you see here in your surrounding there, they wear abaya, mean traditional black dress that only leaves their eye opens, which women must wear before they go out. So when do they wear? Means they women must wear before they go out. Thope mean traditionally loose fitted white robe that mean that man, here is the mistake here, no need to wear along with the white cloth to cover the head, that is also the place of ring. Original people of the Saudi Arabia nomadic, they are called the Bedouins. What is Bedouins? They lived in the tents made by the animal skin. Industry already seen here, petroleum and refinery industry is the main industry in the Saudi Arabia, and need petroleum refinery industry need the iron steel, also with iron steel setup and cement stage and fertilizer stage. Religious importance means the religion Islam was founded by the Prophet Muhammad in Saudi Arabia. If means Prophet Muhammad was born in the Saudi Arabia, and Islam is also propagated through the world from the Saudi Arabia and predominantly places the Makkah and Medina. So look at here is the picture of the Makkah Medina. It is the here is the pictures. And now come to the last finally, what is desert? If you try to understand, D stand for the dry, E stand for the empty, S stand for the sandy, and E stand for the extreme climate, R for the reptile, and T for the treeless. What it means, you may just pause your video and fill in the blanks. Fill the blanks which is given here. Nomads of the Saudi Arabia are called what is? Days in the Saudi Arabia is the visited by the million of Muslim every year. Small Saudi Arabia vast deposit of days. Most of the Saudi Arabia lies in the days zone, and in Oasis this one. So you may feel multiple choice question. First multiple choice traditionally most people in the Saudi Arabia were क्या थे, means what are there? Farmers, nomads, and industry of pygmies. Days in the capital Saudi Arabia is days. Night in the Saudi Arabia days. So options are there. Main income of the Saudi Arabia comes from where? Crops, petroleum, textiles, and diamonds. 4 options. And 5 is the crop that grown widely in the Saudi Arabia. What you will find there? And true false. So write the true false. Pause here. Here are the 5 true false I am giving you. Given here is the given here. So also where is the Saudi Arabia located? Describe it. Long landscape. So this is the finish of the chapter. So you understand betterly. Thank you.